Starting a dropshipping business can be a great way to make money online. Hello and welcome to eComHardy.com. In this video, I will provide you very helpful information on how to make money with a dropshipping business. So make sure to watch till the end. You can also go to www.eComHardy.com to learn more about e-commerce and dropshipping. So, let's get started. It involves selling products on your own website or online store. But, instead of keeping inventory and fulfilling orders yourself, you partner with a supplier who handles the inventory and ships for you. This means you can focus on marketing and promoting your products, without worrying about the logistical aspects of running a traditional e-commerce business. Here are some steps to get started with a dropshipping business. Choose a niche and research products. The first step in starting a dropshipping business is to choose a niche or specific product category to focus on. This could be anything from fashion and beauty to home goods or electronics. Once you've chosen a niche, start researching products within that category to see what is popular and in demand. Look for products that have a good profit margin and are easy to source from a supplier. Find a reliable supplier. The next step is to find a reliable supplier who can provide the products you want to sell. There are several ways to do this, including: search online directories of wholesale suppliers. Join trade shows and meet with potential suppliers in person. Use a dropshipping platform like Oberlo or Spocket to connect with suppliers. It's important to carefully research any supplier you work with, as their reliability and quality of products will directly impact your business. Set up your online store. Once you've chosen your niche and found a reliable supplier, it's time to set up your online store. There are several options for building an online store, including using a platform like Shopify or building your own website. Consider factors like cost, ease of use, and the types of features you need, such as payment gateways and shipping integrations. Promote your products and make sales. Once your online store is set up, it's time to start promoting your products and making sales. This can be done through a variety of channels, including social media, email marketing, and advertising. It's important to continuously test and optimize your marketing efforts to ensure you are reaching the right audience and converting visitors into customers. Manage orders and fulfillments. Once you start making sales, it's important to manage orders and fulfillments efficiently. This means communicating with your supplier to make sure orders are shipped out in a timely manner and tracking the status of orders. It's also important to have good customer service and communication with your customers to ensure a smooth and positive experience. Overall, starting a dropshipping business can be a rewarding and lucrative way to make money online. By choosing a niche, finding a reliable supplier, setting up an online store, and effectively promoting your products, you can build a successful dropshipping business. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Please like and share this video and make sure to subscribe to our channel so you will not miss any future content. Write a comment in the comment box if you have questions or suggestions. See you next time.